Here we have a 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan SE Plus. And this Grand Caravan comes in Billet Clear-Coat. And the interior is going to consist of black premium cloth. And your powertrain on this Grand Caravan is a 3.6 liter naturally aspirated V6 engine, made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Well, there's your front end there, headlights and your fog lamps. Down here you have your 17-inch aluminum wheels. And there are the controls for your power door locks, windows, and mirrors. And there's your power driver seat with two-way lumbar support. Onto the rear seat. Gonna hop in here. So really good leg room in the second row. And I like how you can lean the seat back and forth. And then you can also pull the seat forward and back as well. So that's your maximum seat room or leg room there. Really nice. And there's a view of the front from back here. Close the door. We also have rear AC controls. Then you have a drop down rear entertainment system as well. And this one actually comes with 2 bucket seats, but the seats have been removed out of this one. So this is really good for someone who wants to work out of their van that might have a crew of 2 to 3, depending on what's going on, what kind of job it is. Let's check out the trunk space. And there's your rear end there. So if you're wanting to have your third row seat up for passengers, what you do is pull up here, push that up, pull here, and then you can fold the seat up, and then to put it back down, you just do the same thing in reverse. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have it. And there's your passenger seat there. So let's hop in the driver's seat. So a pretty nice leather wrap steering wheel here. Not bad at all. And then over here, you have your radio. So you have AM, FM, XM radio. And then you have an aux input as well as your hard drive and your CD player. And there's your backup camera there. And then down here you have your dual zone climate controls. And you can control the rear as well. And then you can power your econ mode, toggle that on and off. And then you have a 115 volt 3-prong household plug-in, and you can use that as well. You could toggle that power on and off. And one thing about the Caravan is you do have plenty of storage. Some of the stuff you can't even see. And there's a view of the back seat from up here. Then you have a top and bottom glove compartment. And plenty of space in both of them. And you have your cruise controls here. And then you can toggle your gauge cluster here. You have your shifter. And there is your key fob with remote start. So next we're gonna go ahead and take this Grand Caravan out on the road for a quick test drive. So pretty good ride quality out of this van. And pretty decent overall drive quality so far. No clunking from the transmission, pretty easy to find that sweet spot for you to accelerate. No weird or quirky noises. And I think the Grand Caravan, especially something like this trim level, is really for someone who is wanting something that's pretty inexpensive to maintain and fix, and something that will get your light handyman work done without a problem. And then of course, if you have kids, it serves a dual purpose. But you get basically the basics. So backup camera, power driver seat, cruise control. Yeah, the ride is overall pretty smooth. And road noise is minimal. You have to actually try and listen for it to hear it. And actually has quite a bit of punch when you put your foot down. And it's nice that it's able to accelerate like that. Really great. And this ride quality is really good on the interstate. And the wind noise, even though I think it's blowing at about 20 miles an hour today, it's not intrusive at all, especially compared to other vehicles in the segment. So really impressive there. And I really like the braking power as well. But this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan SC Plus.